we're going to review some keywords to understand the coordinate plane, also called the Cartesian plane. The origin 0, 0 is the point of intersection of the axis. The quadrant is one of the four subdivisions of the plane made by the intersection of the y and the x-axis. Quadrants are read counterclockwise and are usually counted with Roman numerals. The first subdivision will be quadrant 1, the second one quadrant 2, then quadrant 3, and finally quadrant 4. We call that the origin, the intersection of the axis, is 0, 0. Now the x-axis is the horizontal line that contains all the x values, and the y-axis is the vertical line that contains all the y values. The xy coordinate means the x is the horizontal distance and y the vertical distance. The abscissa is any x value or horizontal distance from 0, and the ordinate is any y value or vertical distance from 0. Three, 4 means starting from 0, 3 to the right, and then from 3 you go up 4. Negative 6, 1 means starting from 0 you go left 6 units, and from negative 6 you go up 1. Negative 8, negative 2 means starting from 0 you go left 8 units, negative 8. And from negative 8, you go down 2 units. Negative 8, negative 2. And 2, negative 4 means from 0, you go right 2 units. And then from 2, you go down 4 units. 2, negative 4. The slope is the change in y over the change in x, and if the line rises from left to right, the slope is positive. If the line drops from left to right, slope is negative. And horizontal lines have 0 slope, vertical lines have no slope. To get the slope for this line, we're going to count the vertical change, which is 3, and the horizontal change is 1. The line is falling, therefore the slope is negative. The slope is equal to negative 3 over 1. Now if we want to use the slope formula, the change in y is y2 minus y1, and the change in x is x2 minus x1. Those 2 points are 1, 3 and 2, 0. Let's label them. This is going to be x1, y1, 1 and 3, and that one will be x2, y2, 2 and 0. So the slope should be 0 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. So the slope will be negative 3 over 1. We get the same answer. So the slope is negative 3. Negative 2, 0, 1, 3, and then we connect them. Vertical distance is 3. Horizontal distance is 3. And the line is rising, so it's positive. Therefore, the slope is equal to 1. Using the formula, it's 3 minus 0 divided by 1 minus negative 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus negative 2 is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So the slope is equal to 1. Negative 1, 2. 2, negative 4. We connect them. The vertical distance is 6. The horizontal distance is 3. The line is falling from left to right, therefore the slope is negative. So the slope is equal to negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. Using the formula, m is equal to negative 4 minus 2 divided by 2 minus negative 1. Negative 4 minus 2 is equal to negative 6. 2 minus negative 1 is 2 plus 1, and it's equal to 3. Negative 6 over 3 is equal to negative 2 over 1.